Hello guys, welcome to Action Figures India's episode of Vintage Indian Toy Lines, and today another episode and another rare figure that I would like to reveal from Fun School India Toy Line, and that's the blue-green trim Fun School India scrap iron. Check this out. A really rare variant, guys. This figure is still a mystery. I don't know if this figure was a vehicle pack-in driver or if it was an actual figure that was sold mint on card. That is still a mystery. We still don't know it yet. I found a few of these in the past 5-10 years, maybe not many, but maybe 3 or 4 so far, and all that I found so far is loose. So we still don't know if this was a vehicle pack-in driver or if it is actually sold mint on card. We don't know that yet. So anyway, today's review, I'd like to reveal the very visible differences that you can see from the regular scrap iron and the blue-green scrap iron. As you guys know, the regular scrap iron has like a red trim on the vest and boots, and this scrap iron, the blue-green trim, as you can see, it's a green trim on the vest and the green trim on the shorts and the green boots instead of the red boots. Also, very important thing I like to point out, check this out. The blue-green scrap iron came in 2 variations. One is with the gun holster, it was the same color as the thigh, blue in color. There's no difference. And this one has come with the red holster, which is also then in the regular, the red and blue scrap iron. So because I found variations of both types in this blue-green trim, I found with the blue holster and I found the same scrap iron with the red gun holster. So I just want to point out that this variant is available with both the holsters, red holster and the blue one. Other than that, you can see the visible differences in the green trim. The plastic quality is pretty much similar, like the regular scrap iron. I do think some of these scrap iron, although most of them that I found is without the Cobra logo, which is there in the early release of the Indian scrap iron. There used to be a Cobra logo on the left arm. But these scrap irons, probably because it was just a vehicle pack-in driver, I've never found these with the Cobra logo, so on the arm. Other than that, check it out, it's a beautiful figure. This one is in great condition, paint-wise, joints are good and tight. And yeah, this one also always has the Fun School Made in India marked at the bottom. So yeah, this is something which I wanted to do a review on. One of the more rarer, harder to find figures. I found only 3 or 4 till now. So here you go, the blue-green Fun School India scrap iron. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of the blue-green Fun School India scrap iron variant figure. Please do visit my website, actionfiguresindia.com. Visit us on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. Like and share. Also, if you guys are interested in buying, selling, or trading vintage Indian toy lines, please WhatsApp me or connect with me, DM me on Instagram, or just message me, PM me on Facebook, and I'm always open to buying, selling, and trading these old vintage Indian toys. And yeah, so just spread the good word, and I'm hoping to connect with more and more collectors in India and around the world. And stay tuned for my next episodes. I'm getting some more interesting reviews done of some other rare vintage Indian figures very soon, and I'll be coming with some more exciting stuff really soon. So till then, take it easy, guys. All the best.